I'm here to share with you and unveil for the first time ever the 22-minute workout. This is my fourth IdeaCity. I've known, it's my 4th year anniversary working with Zoomer Media, and over the course of the last 4 years, it's been absolutely incredible. We did Anjelica's dance workout in 2016, which was a dance and fitness fusion show. And now, 3 years later, we have done 30 episodes of the 22-minute workout. We shot it in May, and it's gonna be coming at you on One TV this fall. Now, to cast all these episodes, I wanted to show a spectrum and be inclusive, because I wanted to emphasize the point that this workout is for everyone. So my cast spans a full gamut of age ranges and fitness abilities, and we even have men in this generation of the show, the men. Imagine the looks on their faces when I told them they had to wear leg warmers, right? So what you're going to be getting today is a live teaser trailer / smorgasbord of everything you can see on the show, which is fitness and comedy. Now, I'm gonna bring out my girls to start off. We're gonna do a demonstration for you so that you can get inspired and revved up. And then after that's over, we're gonna get you up and moving. Does that sound good? Yes. All right, so to help me out, I would like to welcome Savannah and Rosie. Give them a big round of applause. They were cast members on a few episodes of the show, and we're gonna show you a segment. All right. And feel free to clap along, because you're gonna be doing this at home someday. All right, standing with the legs apart, hit it. Stomach's tight. Good, shoulders back. We're gonna nod the head for 4. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna slick the hair back. We go right, left, right, left. Yeah, if you want, you can join in too. You just might hit your neighbor. Make sure you got some space. We're gonna roll out the right hip. Here we go. Deep breath in. And take it down to down to down. Other side we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Anchor the heels, twist the rib cage. To the left we go. Up, punch it down. Low, mid, high, mid, low, mid, high. Let's do that again. We go. Twist it out. Don't forget to breathe. Let's punch it down. We go low, mid, high, mid, low, mid, high, mid. Good. Flat back. Stomach's tight. Stretch those legs. Let's lunge from right to left. We go. Out. That's it in the back. Way to go. Tap the heart. In, and out, and in, and out. This is a demo, Daria. Elbow to the knee. You have the option to do it, only if you have the space. We're gonna jog in place. Here we go. Lifting those knees, pumping those arms. We're gonna take it for a spin. Good. Facing a diagonal. Open the legs, bending the knees. We're gonna pulse it down. 1, 2, 3. Now hold it down, elbow to the knee. We go right. Eight more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Folding forward, stretching the hamstrings. Bottom bounces for 7, 6, 5, 4. This is good for you, I swear. 3, 2, and up. Hinging. Jogging in place. We go. Take it for a spin. Deep breath in. Swan dive forward. We're gonna walk it out to a plank. Of course, you have the option of just holding the stretch in a forward fold. We're gonna hold this. Taking the legs in. And rolling up. We're gonna do a two-step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now this is where you start to get involved. Give me a nice big clap. That's it. What do you think of the music? Do you like the music? Is it okay? Yes, very good, well done. Big hand for Savannah and Rosie. Thank you, girls. So, of course, that's one of the more difficult workouts, but it's a workout, every episode has a completely different level. We have a 79-year-old lady that's actually joining a couple of the episodes, and it's Dr. Zach's mom, Eleanor Levine. I don't know. Yeah, Eleanor, Zach? Dr. Zach from the Zoomer? Yeah, give him a round of applause, and his mom. But I want to truly emphasize that this workout is for everybody. So now, it is time for you to stand up, get that blood flowing again. I'm going to teach you a couple of key moves, and then I'm gonna bring out my second fitness crew, and we're gonna do it to some music. All right, deep breath in. And exhale down. It's been a long day. I understand your brain's worn out, but you're gonna get a third wind after this. Exhale down. Good. Now, I just wanna get you pointing up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Good. Now I wanna get you going from right to left with what little space you have. I know some of you are on a steep incline. You know what? Take up the aisles. Nice. Good idea. Yes. Just don't spread out towards the exit, whatever you do. I don't need that. Good. Let's get the arms and legs together. We go up and down and up and down. Stomach's tight. Don't forget to breathe. And up and down and up and down. Good. And now we're just going to march it out. And you're going to grip the hands, and we're just gonna roll it back. Roll it back. Yes, I like this. Yes. Good. Nice. You're your own bicycle. Good. Perfect. Well, you've got the basics nailed. The rest you're just gonna follow along with me, and it is at this point that I'd like to introduce my next backup fitness crew, Joanne, and my real-life mom, Valerie. Give them a round of applause. Fantastic. Perfect. All right. Are we ready to do this all together? Yes, I'm sorry I don't have prizes, but I got sweat. Hit it! We're standing with our legs apart, stomach's tight, belly button towards the spine. We're gonna do a gentle front crawl, right and left, and right and left. You can slightly bend the knees, and left. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Waking up the shoulders. Just gliding. You guys are pros. We can go a little faster. Here we go. That's it. Let's do a quick, slow. We go quick, slow. Quick, slow. We go quick, slow. Good. We're gonna pump those arms and march in place. So the next step we're going to do is that one where we point towards the sky and point our toes in front of us. Remember that one? All right, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Down, up, and down. We're gonna clap, rewind it back. That's how it goes. We go up, down, up, and down. And rewind. Let's do that again. We go up, down, down. Let's do that again. We go up, down. This is your last one. Good. Standing with the feet apart again. Flex the hands, bring the arms in front of you, pulsing it down. Activating the latissimus dorsi. Yes. Now we're gonna wash the windows. Here we go. We wash the windows. They're so dirty. We wash the windows. We wash. Good. We're gonna point our fingers to the sky. Here we go. Up, down, and down, and rewind. Again, we go up, down, up, and down. We go. Let's do that again. We go up, down. One more time. Up, down. Excellent. Good. Separate the legs. Pulse it down. Let's wash those windows. All right. Left. 8, 6, 4, 3. Let's do that front crawl to cruise into the end. Yes, well done. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you to Joanne. You can see her on 22-Minute Workout and my mom Valerie as well. Premieres on One TV in the fall.
You're a great sport. Thank you very much.
Thank you.